So, you want to become a Zenty partner? Great. Click the Apply to Join button to get started. This screen will open and you will need to add your business name, business phone number, and website. Next, add your business address, city, state, postal code, and country. Now add your name, job title, your full email address, and the best number to contact you. To add the signature, left-click and hold on the mouse to sign. Once you are done, make sure to add the name of the authorized person and date, then submit. If the page has a red highlight, it means there is missing information. In this case, it's the business type. You need to choose Integrator or Distributor and submit once selected. There you have it. Your information has been submitted.